Scientists just received the first test images from Euclid, which is this new space telescope. These images are taken in the visible spectrum, and these ones are taken in near infrared. These aren't just pretty, they're proof that the telescope is working great. Euclid was launched on July 1st by the European Space Agency. It's on a 6-year mission to try to understand one of the biggest unresolved problems in physics. You might know that all of the stuff that we can see, stars, galaxies, everything, only makes up about 5% of the universe. The other 95% is made up of stuff we can't see, dark matter and dark energy. But we know it's there because of its effects on the stuff that we can see. Euclid aims to chart 1.5 billion galaxies to better understand how the structure of the universe has changed over cosmic history, and from there, better understand how dark matter and dark energy have played a role.
It will map all of that out to 10 billion years back in history and hopefully tell us the answer to the mystery of life, the universe, and everything.
If you like optimistic science and tech stories,